Hello, and welcome to Cruising Through Calculus. My name is Alex, and this is a quick review on complex fractions. Complex fractions are ones that look like these, fractions within fractions. In order to simplify them, what you want to do is separate them in your head like this, the top half and the bottom half. Then what you want to do is work on them separately. So if you have some scratch paper or scratch work on your paper, this is where this will go. Starting with the top here, we need to get a common denominator. So I'm going to multiply this side over here by x squared over x squared. This side over here gets hit by 2 over 2. Let's see what we get here. Looks like we have x cubed over 2x squared, then 6 over 2x squared, which is perfect. Now that the denominators are the same, I can add them together. Of course, you want to leave the denominator alone when you do that. That simplifies the top part. Now, let's look at the bottom part. We want to start by making 3 into a fraction. That'll make it a little easier to see what we need to multiply by to get the denominators to be the same. Here, we're going to multiply by x. We only need x on the right side, though, because, well, take a look right here. I now have a common denominator. Now, let's subtract the top, leave the bottom alone, and now we've simplified the bottom part. Remember, this is like scratch work down here. We haven't actually simplified the entire thing as a whole. So let's go back up here. Let's take a look at our simplified answer that we wrote down here and put that up here. Let's do the same thing for our denominator piece. And now we have to remember what to do when we have fractions divided by fractions. In order to divide fractions within fractions, we're going to be multiplying by the reciprocal. So we're going to take the top piece, leave that the same, and multiply by the reciprocal here. Now, when you do this, take a look to see if anything can cancel. In this case, one of these x's up here can cancel with one of these x's down here. That will leave us with x cubed plus 6 over, and then I have to multiply this 2x here out to these two pieces here. So we'll get 2x times 1 and 2x times negative 3x. And now we have finally simplified this complex fraction. If you found this video helpful, you might consider checking out my website, which is linked in the description below. You'll be brought to Infinity Learning Academy, where you can find Cruising Through Calculus. At Cruising Through Calculus, we have over 100 videos and documents to help you get through your calculus class, including videos for each topic, practice problems, and full video solutions for those practice problems. I hope to see you there, and together we can cruise through calculus.